Hello everyone, I'm Nisa.
I'm İlayda.
I'm Mehmet Ali.
Today we are going to present our project called Gifting Circle, which is a website based gift exchange platform. This project was developed by me together with İlayda and Ali. In our presentation, we will explain the purpose of the project, its main features, technical infrastructure, database structure, and deployment process. So we can move on. This slide shows the structure of our presentation. First, we will talk about the project overview and explain the main purpose of the application. Then we will introduce the system features such as user groups, random draw functionality, and wish list. After that, we will discuss the technical infrastructure, database architecture, and security management. Finally, we will conclude the presentation and share the references we used during development. We can move on. Gifting Circle is a web application designed to simplify group gift exchanges. The platform automatically assigns gift recipients through a random draw system, so users do not need to organize the process manually. Each participant can also create and manage a wish list to help others choose suitable gifts. For backend development, we used PHP to manage server-side logic and dynamic operations. The database system is based on MySQL and managed with PHP On the front-end side, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a responsive and user-friendly interface. And the project is hosted on CloudNine while also supporting local development environments. We can move on. Login and welcome screens. This slide presents the login and welcome screen of our application. Users can securely access the system using their email and password. New users can register through a form validation system that checks input accuracy and prevents invalid registrations also. We designed the interface with a clean and minimal style to improve usability and user experience. And after full successful login, session management is activated to keep user access secure during the session. And user groups. One of the core features of our platform is the user group system. Users can create different groups for separate exchange events, such as friend groups, classrooms, or workspace. This structure allows multiple gift exchanges to run independently at the same time. Each group stores its own members, draw results, and wishes information separately for better organization.
This slide demonstrates the join group function. Users can join an existing group by entering a group code or invitation information provided by the group creator. We focused on making this process simple and fast so users can participate easily without complicated setup steps. This feature improves accessibility and encourages smoother interaction between participants. Here we can see the create group feature. Users are able to create their own gift exchange groups and manage participants within the system. The group creator can organize the event and invite other users to join. This functionality gives flexibility and allows users to customize their own gift exchange experience. And one of the most important components of our project is the automated draw system. This system randomly assigns each participant another participant as their gift recipient. This randomization process is handled automatically using backend logic developed in PHP. As a result, the process becomes fair, efficient, and easier to manage for users. Uh, this slide shows the wishlist and claim gifts feature. Participants can create personal wishlist by adding items they would like to receive. Other users can anonymously claim gifts from these wishlists to avoid duplicate purchases. This feature improves organization and helps participants choose more meaningful gifts. Our project has a flexible and portable technical infrastructure. We developed a smart DB PHP connection system that automatically switches between localhost and live server environments. This allows the same project to work both online and in local development environments without major configuration changes. As a result, deployment and testing become much easier and more efficient.
As you know, security and debugging were important in consideration during development. We used PHP errors reporting EAL function to detect warnings and coding issues instantly during the development process. At the same time, display error settings are adjusted depending on the environment to prevent sensitive data exposure on the live server. We also add clear inline comments through the code to improve readability, maintenance, and teamwork. We can move on. This slide explains our database architecture. Our database contains several core tables, including users, groups, group members, draws, wish lists, and news feed. We implemented one-to-many relationships, such as users to groups and groups to draws. We also used many-to-many relationships between users and groups through the group members table. In addition, cascade delayed operations automatically remove orphaned records and help maintain database integrity. We can move on. For deployment, project files are uploaded to CloudNine hosting through FTP. The SQL database is imported using PHP on the live server. After updating the database credentials in the db.php file, the application become fully functional online. Thanks to Smart's connection system, the project can also run locally on environments such as XAMPP and WAMP with minimal configuration. We can move on. For this project, we use several official documentation sources. This include PHP documentation for error handling, MySQL references, manuals for database management, PHP documentation, and example resources for local development. These references help us develop a more reliable, structured, and maintainable application. Thank you for listening to our presentation about our project, Gifting Circle. You can ask your question through the comments.
Thank you for listening. Bye.